If you go a little bit beyond Tokyo, you will find unique and beautiful places in Japan. These are my favorite attractions around Tokyo. Hakone is around 1 hour ride from Tokyo. Hakone Free Pass offers a discount ticket to cover most popular attractions in Hakone. The free pass is valid for 2 days. You may also extend this to a 3-day pass. This pass allows access to all the buses, trains, cruise ride, and the gondola to explore Hakone area. Hakone Ropeway is part of Hakone Round Trip, where you will enjoy the view of active sulfuric source over Kudani Valley. If the weather is clear, you will see a spectacular view of Mount Fuji. Don't forget to enjoy famous Hakone black eggs, which is a normal chicken eggs but the shell is black due to boiled in the sulfur spring. Passing the ropeway, you can reach Lake Ashi to catch sightseeing cruise. There are many hotels and restaurants near this lake, and it is also famous for boat riding and kayaking. Shirakawago is a Japanese traditional village with unique styled houses. There are no train lines to this village, so you have to use a private vehicle or a tour bus from Takayama station. You can go inside the village and go inside some of the houses to see the structure. It may cost around 300 yen per person to go inside a house, but it is worth seeing the traditional Japanese style structure and enjoy a green tea. Yudanaka area is famous for its snow monkeys and hot spring. It is a monkey forest and the walk is around 20 minutes to get there. You can go close to monkeys and take pictures. This place gets very cold and slippery during winter time. And 10-minute rides from Monkey Park is Shibu onsen, which is a Japanese spa town. You can find many ryokan-style hotels in this area. They have private onsens and as well as famous 9 public onsen. You can feel the traditional Japanese atmosphere here. People roaming from bath to bath wearing kimonos and yukata. This is what you can expect to see inside a private onsen. There's a changing area, a place to clean yourself, and the bath. There are also footbath places if you don't want to have a bath in an onsen. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. I will add details to the description.